Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a guide to Christmas update part 2 in Grow a Garden game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Christmas update part 2 has been dropped in Grow a Garden. And basically guys, there is no big difference between Christmas update part 2 and part 1. Again, you still need to submit your Christmas mutated plans to this event, and you will get a gift. And every 10 minutes, there will be new gift. And wait, let me show you all the possible gifts. Okay, these are the gift spawns. Um, there will be common gift, rare gift, mythical gift, gold gift, and rainbow gift. And let's see what we'll get from the gift. Okay, these are the items from the rainbow gift. Oh, there is Christmas cracker and the cat. Okay, you can also get the Christmas egg, which is the new egg from this Christmas Part 2 update. I mean, Christmas update Part 2. And from the Christmas egg, you will have chance to get this pet. Wow. Yeah, and about the advent calendar, it's still the same. And the Christmas present have been removed from the event guys, but you can still get the present from the Christmas shop. Okay, for example, this Christmas present and Santa surprise present, you can get it from here. But the rare present and the normal present have been removed. They replaced it with the gift. And yeah, I think there is no big difference. And it's kind of boring. And okay, guys, that's all about the Christmas update part 2 in Grow a Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.